So yeah, okay, good day, grade 9. So today, yeah, we are here with Mr. M. So we're gonna be solving X from different equations. Yeah, this video is not for grade 9s. It's for the grade 9, grade 10, grade 11, even grade 12. Because some of the equations you might find them in one in grade 12. So today we're gonna be solving for X, whereby there's no factorization in grade 12. We are just gonna be solving for X. Yeah, so yeah, let's continue the first term, which is 4 open bracket x plus 1 close bracket equals to 2 open bracket 3 minus x. Then from there you remove both brackets from the both sides by following the bottommost rule. Okay, 4 times x, which is 4x, 4 times 1, which is 4, equals to 2 times 3, which is 6, 2 times negative x, which is negative 2x. We are just doing like this: 2 times this one, 2 times this one, and then from there you group the like terms, numbers which have x and numbers which do not have x. So from therefore I'm gonna take this 2x, jump it to this side. Then one other thing, one rule: when a number jumps over an equal sign, what happens first? Now what happens is that the original sign of that number changes. If it is negative, it becomes positive. If it is positive, it becomes negative. So we're gonna have 4x plus 2x equals to 6. This 4 comes this side, which is gonna be negative. Then we add everything, which is becomes 6x equals 6 minus 4, which is 2. Then from there we divide both sides by 6. Why? In order to make x the subject of the formula, because here, remember, we are solving for x. So at the end of the equation we must have x equals then x equals 2 over 6, or you can further simplify it, which is gonna be 1 over 3. Yeah, then we move to the next term, which is 2 open bracket x minus 1 close bracket 2 open bracket 4x minus 5 close bracket is equals to 3x plus 2. Then again, I can say this equation is the same as the other one, but from this equation they just added, yeah, some other terms. Okay, sorry for that. Yeah, from there again we're gonna first remove the brackets by multiplying. So again, yeah, if you have understood what I did in the first equation, you can pause the video, do it yourself, and after that, yeah, you're gonna see if you got it correct or not, because like, yeah, that is a part of learning. So let's remove the bracket. So it's gonna be 2x minus 2 plus 8x minus 10, which is equals to 3x plus 2. Second step, what do? We group the like terms, which is we have 2x, we're gonna group it with 8x and 3x. So 2x plus 8x. Then again, what did I say? When a number jumps over an equal sign, the sign of it changes. So here we have a positive 3x, which is when it comes to this side, it's gonna be negative 3x. Negative 3x equals to, then we have 2, this negative 10 and negative 2, they'll come that side. Then which the sign are gonna change to positive. We have positive 10 and positive 2. Then we add everything up: 2x plus 8, which is 10, minus 3, which is 7x, equals, then we have 2 plus 10, which is 12, plus 2, which is 14. From there we make what? X the subject of the formula by what? Dividing. Okay, we divide, then x, then we are left with x equals 2. Yeah, again, you can substitute the value of x to the original equation where there is x. But in that way, what will happen? You should add, when you add x on this side, if it gives you 8, and if you add this side it gives you 8, what does it mean? Your answer is correct. But if you substitute the value of x with 2 on this equation on this side, then you find out on this side it is 10, but on this side it gives you a different number. Sorry, my learner, your equation is wrong. You should do it again, because when they say this equation equals this equation, they say what is on the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So again, yeah, we're moving to the second equation, which involves a little bit of a fraction, which is x over 2 plus 3, which equals to 4x plus 1. Then from there, what do? Well, first of all, there's no bracket. Okay, good. We remove what? The fraction. By what? By multiplying the whole equation with the LCM. Okay, more the LCM is 2, more LCM is 1. For the whole equation, come the LCM is 1. So if then what do? The lowest common factor, it is what? It is 2. Then we have 2 times x over 2. Now I like to put my numbers into brackets, because that way I will remember that, you know what, at this stage I have to multiply. Is equals to 4x plus 1 into bracket times 2. Some others may use brackets, some may not, but in the end we will get the same answer. Yeah. So from this 2, divide this 2, then here we're left with x plus 2 times 3, which is 6, equals to 4 times 2, which is 8x, and 2 times 1, which is 2. From there, what I did in the first equation, what do? We group the like terms. Then from there, we're gonna have 8x. This x jumps over the equation, which becomes negative x, changes the sign. Then here we have these 2 jumps that side, we have 6, then it's gonna be minus 2. Then we add them up, which is have 7x equals 4 minus 2, which is 6 minus 2, which equals 4. Then divide the whole term by 7. What? To make x the subject of the formula. Then our answer becomes 4 over 7. Again, you can prove it. Then we move to our next equation with, more fraction. We have x over 3 plus x over 2, which equals 2. From there, Malena, you can pause the video, do this equation on your own. Then after that, you're gonna check if you got the answer correct, if you got the answer correct or not. Yeah. From there, lowest common factor. What is it? The more is 1. We have 2 and 3. What is the lowest common factor? It is 6. Then we're gonna have 6 into x over 3 plus 6 multiplied by x over 2, and this side, don't forget to multiply it by the LCM, because at the previous video I said we multiply the whole equation by what? By the LCM. Then 3 to 6 goes twice, 2 times x, which you have 2x. Then 2 to 6 it goes 3 times. Then 3 multiplied by x, which is 3x. We have positive 3x. Then 6 multiplied by 2, which is 12. Then from there, already there's no need for grouping, we just add. Then we have 5x equals 12. Then we make what? X the subject of the formula by dividing the left and the right hand side by what? By 5. Then x equals to 12 over 5. Yeah. Then let's see another equation. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, x is equals to 12 over 5. We divided both sides by 5 in order to make x the subject of the formula. Yeah, the last equation, which is, for this one, please pause the video. Let's see, x minus 2 equals to 6 plus 1 equals to 3x minus 1 over 2 minus x. Again, what did I say? We multiply the whole equation by the LCM in order to do what? In order to eliminate the fraction. Sorry about that. It's x. From there, what is the fraction? LCM 6, 2. Yeah, then our LCM, which is 6. Then we're gonna have 6 multiplied by x minus 2 over 6, close bracket, plus 6 times 1 equals to 6, open bracket, 3x minus 1 over 2 minus 6 times x. We multiply the whole equation by our LCM in order to eliminate the fraction. Then we have more 6 into 6 goes once, then 1 times x, which is x, then 1 times negative 2, which is 2, then plus 6 times 1, which is 6, equals to 2 into 6, it goes 3 times 3 multiplied by this equation, which is 3 times 3, which is 9, 3 times 3, yeah, which is 9x, and 3 multiplied by negative 1, which is 3, then negative 6 multiplied by x, which is negative 6. Then again, group the like terms x, then this 9 comes this side, it becomes negative x, then positive x. Then we are left with 3, then 6 comes to this side, then it becomes negative 6, then this 2 comes this side, it becomes positive 2. Then we add them, negative x minus 9x, which is negative 8x, negative 8x plus 6, which is negative 2x, equals negative 3 minus 6, which is about negative 9, negative 9 plus 2, which is negative 7, negative 7. Then we divided the whole equation by what? By negative 2, in order to make x the subject of the formula. This negative cancelled, the negative 2 cancelled. Sorry. We divided the whole equation by what? By negative 2 to make x the subject of the formula. Yeah. You know, the reason I did this, I wish that we were live, you know, so that to see if you're paying attention to what am I saying here. So I can say I did this deliberately. So say we are left with x equals to this negative, will divide this negative, we are left with 7 over 2. Yeah. From there, grade 9s, I hope when you meet any equation, when they say solve for x, yeah, you're gonna nail it. And for some who did not understand, or I don't know, you can hit me on WhatsApp on 0606037953, whereby we're gonna have a one-on-one section. I'm gonna be teaching you, you're gonna be teaching me, like in that section. Yeah, for now, yeah, for this, yeah, for the next 3 months it is for free, you know, to get you ready for the term 3. So Kenya, thank you. By the way, share this video so that other grade 9s, grade 10, grade 11s, when they meet this type of equation, they may not face difficulties. And again, subscribe so that, yeah, when I release another video, you'll be updated. You can watch them, learn them, and what? And excel at what? At your work. Again, have a lovely day, Mr. M.